So here's something that some of you won't like me saying, but we've been gaslit by the skincare industry for years. How, I hear you ask? Well, we're told that less is more. We're told to embrace skinimalism. We are told that a gentle routine, a couple of topicals, sleep and drinking lots of water will keep gravity at bay. That is a lovely sentiment, but I'm a 44-year-old guy and I can tell you from experience, when you're fighting the actual structural collapse of collagen, less is most definitely not more. More is more. I want more energy, I want more depth, I want more contact points. For the last few years, the majority of home devices have been polite. They've been passive. But the Amiro S2 Seal, this device, is not passive. It features a head with 48 gold-plated electrodes. To put that into perspective, the industry standard is usually 4, maybe 6 electrodes. This is a grid of 48 energy points designed to flood your dermis with heat and electricity simultaneously, evenly, and harmoniously. It is arguably the most unapologetically advanced home-use radio frequency device on the market right now. So today, we're going to ignore the vibes and look at the voltage. We are going to find out what happens when you stop tickling your skin and start demanding it to wake up. We're going to take a follow-on look at the Amiro S2 Seal from my very first review video that I done of it, so that you can understand even more about how this device works, how it could fit into your anti-aging skincare routine, and whether it's the right device for you. Let's talk about the density problem. If you've ever used a standard radio frequency device, you know the struggle. You have a tiny little treatment head, you are frantically circling your cheek, trying to get that temperature up to that magic 42 degrees Celsius or 107.6 Fahrenheit. It's kind of like trying to heat up a swimming pool with a hairdryer. It might work eventually, but it would take forever, in which time you've aged another 20 years. The S2 solves this with what I call total saturation. Because it has that massive 48 pole matrix, it doesn't need to build up heat slowly. It creates a volumetric field of energy almost instantly. It's kind of like stepping into a hot bath versus standing under a gentle warm shower. The coverage is 2.5 times higher than the previous model, and this means that you aren't just treating spots of your face, you're treating the entire architectural fabric of the area in just one stamp. And that brings us to the triple stack. Now, usually, I'm not too trusting of combination devices. Why? Because a lot of devices that mix technology also dilute it to fit all of that technology in. But the S2 is doing something different. It uses radio frequency to heat the collagen. Think of this as softening the clay. And then while that clay is soft, it fires low-level EMS or microcurrent to contract the muscle underneath. It's heating the skin to tighten it while simultaneously gym training the muscle to lift it. And just for good measure, it blasts the surface with LED to encourage skin cell renewal. It's a synchronized approach to aging from 3 different angles at the exact same second. It's efficient, sure, but more importantly, it's potent. With this home use skin tightening device, you have a choice here. You can use this in freestyle mode, or you can use the guided mode. Now, the guided mode uses a specific zone sheet mask. Now, I know what you're thinking, do I really need to buy refills? I know that consumables aren't always everyone's preference, but here's why this specific mask is brilliant and why I actually recommend trying it. Because it acts as a smart calibration tool. The mask has got different conductive zones, and when the device touches the forehead zone on the mask, it automatically downregulates the power to respect the thin skin, especially when we're reaching that area around the brow bone. When you move it to the cheek zone, it recognizes the deeper tissue and uncorks the full power of all 48 electrodes. It's literally paint by numbers for safety. For anyone nervous about high-powered devices, this is your safety net. You can't mess it up because the device is reading the map on your face. However, the mask is completely optional. And if you prefer to keep your routine simple or you run out of masks, you can absolutely use this with just a high quality conductive gel or water-based serum. You simply switch the device to lift mode. This allows you to glide freely without the map. But a tip from me to you. Because this has 48 poles, the energy transfer is incredibly efficient. If you use it in this freestyle mode, keep it moving, because if you hold it for longer than a couple of seconds, that heat build up is intense. If you want to see exactly how I use this device from start to end, I'm going to link you up to the original review video down in the description box below. That is a real deep dive into the S2 seal, and one that I highly recommend you checking out before you go ahead and make a purchase of this. But today's video is all about me nerding out about the science and the biology and all of that stuff that I really love. So let's get back to it. In the box, you're going to see a claim of 112% collagen increase in just 5 days. Now, I need you to take a look at that number and take a deep breath, because that is a measurement of cellular signaling in a Petri dish. It does not mean that you will have 112% more face by Friday. However, because of the intensity of this device, the timeline is different from the older tech. Because of the microcurrent element, you get an immediate tone that you don't get with pure radio frequency. Your face feels tighter after a session, similar to a high intensity workout, but with the added flush of the heat, weeks 8 to 12. This is where the radio frequency pays off. And it's where density matters. You aren't just shrinking the skin, you're also thickening the dermis. And this is what blurs the fine lines and makes your skin feel less like crepe paper and more like cardstock. But you have to pay a toll. For these kind of results, you need to commit to using this device regularly with a gel or with the masks, at least for the stamping sessions, and you need to commit to the schedule. And the schedule for the S2 seal for those absolutely amazing results and to take advantage of every single drip of that technology wrapped up into that sleek device, just 3 times a week. So now we've covered all of that, who is the Amiro S2 seal for? Honestly, this device is not for the person who wants a minimal casual routine. The Amiro S2 seal is for people like me, the user who is results driven to a fault. It's for the person who looks in the mirror, sees the slide down and wants to throw everything they have at it. It's for the person who understands that to change the structure of the skin, you need energy, you need heat, and you need power. But if you're asking me which device currently packs the most engineering punch per square inch, hello, it's this. With the Amiro S2 seal, the era of gentle is over. And we're now in the era of density, and not just density, but density that we can create safely in the comfort of our own homes. But if you're ready to upgrade your arsenal, this is the heavy lifter that you've been waiting for. It delivers on so many fronts. I've been using this device for months now. Amiro has completely blown my mind with the quality of their tools and devices. I've seen comments from people saying that they don't trust the website because it looks like an AliExpress or a Temu style website. You know, web design is different in different parts of the world. Amiro's website may not be one of these South Korean mega giant brand websites, but here's the thing, it doesn't need to be. They don't need to use a massive marketing budget with all bells and whistles to try and sell this device and the technology it contains, because once you try this, it will sell itself. Anyway, that is about it for this video. Don't forget to hydrate, wear your sun protection, and I will see you in the next one. Stay beautiful, and until next time, TJ over and out.